Choosing the right portable oscilloscope can be confusing because many models come with limited accuracy, small displays, low sampling rates, or weak multimeter functions. That's why modern handheld oscilloscopes are becoming popular among engineers, technicians, and electronics hobbyists. They combine oscilloscope plus multimeter in one compact device for fast diagnostics anywhere. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best portable oscilloscopes of 2026 based on performance, features, usability, and real user feedback. Number 5. TOOLTOP ET2010A Oscilloscope. The TOOLTOP ET2010A is a compact 2-in-1 digital oscilloscope and multimeter designed mainly for basic electronics testing and troubleshooting. It offers up to 2.5 million samples rate and 1 megahertz bandwidth, which is enough for low-frequency signal analysis and simple circuit checking. It supports voltage, resistance, continuity, and diode testing, along with waveform display. The device is lightweight, easy to operate, and beginner-friendly. It's a good choice for students, DIY users, and field technicians who need a simple portable testing tool. Number 4. ZOYI 703S Oscilloscope. The ZOYI 703S is a feature-rich 3-in-1 handheld oscilloscope with a 3.5-inch IPS display and 25,000 counts digital multimeter. It supports dual-channel input, up to 50 megahertz bandwidth, and 280 megasamples per second high-speed sampling, making it suitable for more advanced electronic diagnostics. The screen is bright, sharp, and easy to read even in outdoor environments. It includes waveform hold, auto measurement, and multiple test modes. This model is ideal for engineers and repair professionals who need accurate readings with strong portability. Number 3. Gaqqee SC02 Oscilloscope. The Gaqqee SC02 is a budget-friendly dual-channel digital oscilloscope designed for simple electronics repair and basic waveform analysis. It supports around 50 MHz bandwidth and 10 MHz sampling capability with 2.5K samples per second analog processing performance. It is suitable for PWM signal checking, small circuit debugging, and educational electronics practice. The compact handheld design makes it easy to carry in a toolbox or lab kit. While not advanced, it is a practical choice for beginners and hobbyists who want affordable testing capability. Number 2. OWON HDS 160 Oscilloscope. The OWON HDS 160 combines a 4.5-digit true RMS multimeter with a 1 MHz digital oscilloscope, making it a reliable all-in-one diagnostic tool for technicians. It provides accurate measurements for AC/DC voltage, current, resistance, and waveform analysis. The interface is simple and user-friendly, with a clear display that shows both multimeter and oscilloscope data. It is designed for field engineers who need stable performance in compact form. Durable build quality and consistent readings make it suitable for professional electronics repair and maintenance work programs. Number 1. ZEEWEII DSO2512G Oscilloscope. The ZEEWEII DSO2512G is a high-performance handheld oscilloscope featuring a 2.8-inch display, dual-channel input, and up to 120 MHz bandwidth. It also includes a built-in signal generator and XY mode, making it suitable for advanced circuit analysis and testing. Despite its small size, it delivers fast response, clear waveform display, and strong measurement accuracy. It is perfect for engineers, lab technicians, and developers working on complex electronics. This model offers professional-grade features in a portable design. Portable oscilloscopes are powerful tools for fast electronics testing, repair, and signal analysis. These top 5 models offer a mix of accuracy, portability, and features for beginners to professionals. Whether basic troubleshooting or advanced work, there's a perfect choice for everyone.